Splitting payment on Expedia is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, start by selecting your flights, accommodations, and activities on Expedia. Once you have added everything you need on your card, select the split payment option at checkout. Then, choose the amount you want to pay upfront. Also, select the number of payments that you want to make. For the initial payment, enter your credit or debit card information. Next, review your payment schedule. Then, confirm your booking. Following these simple steps, you can split payment on Expedia. Keep this in mind that not all hotels or vacation packages on Expedia may offer the option to split payments. It's also essential to ensure that each traveler has a valid payment method to cover their portion of the booking. If it does not work for your situation, consider contacting Expedia's customer support to inquire if there are any options for splitting payments that are not publicly advertised. They may have alternative solutions or insights based on your specific booking or circumstances.